Hey, welcome to another video. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Shopify store, so you don't have to go around and see where the settings are, and I have summarized everything in this video. So let's start. In the homepage of the store, currently we don't have any data because our store is not live. If you have any orders coming in, you will see a dashboard and overview of everything in the homepage. In the orders page, you can see all the orders that's coming or fulfilled or not, or any order that is refunded, and everything will be in here. You can also create order in the backend and assign it to a customer. If you have any internal person in your team, you can just create an order from here and fulfill it directly from here. In the product section, you see it has some subcategories, collections, inventory, purchase order, and more options in here. In the products, you see all the active products. The status shows either it is active or archived. So since we created this store with some test data, it has different types of products. For example, this one is archived, this one is draft. And the difference between is like if you archive it, it will be gone from the front end. The draft is not live yet, but a product could be active but not available for purchase, which is like if the inventory is 0. So let's check out one of the product, which is this one, and this is the product edit page. It is very important to understand every details of this page, so you know if you are building an app where you can find all the settings. So from here, status, very important, active or draft. You can directly draft the product from here, title, and this is the description. One cool feature about Shopify is like you can generate description with AI. So if I just get the title from here and put it as a keyboard, of course you can put comma separated, and the tone of voices and expert, and then special instruction. Please write product description for this. And now let's generate. It's going to suggest some product description, and you can keep it. It will add that here and you can save it. I think that's a very nice way of using. Probably, yeah, they have an integration with OpenAI. I think they use that. And then you have the product price. You have compared price. Compared price is when you put product on sale. For example, if the price previously was like 300 and something like that, you will put that in here, and this is the price. This is the sale the price that you are selling the product. But it will show that previously it was this much and now we are selling in this price. Let's save it for now, and scrolling down you also have cost per item. This one will not be shown for the customers. Of course, if this product cost me like $5 to make, of course I'm not going to put that, but it is a good thing to add in here for the future, that you see how much margin you have, how much profit you have based on this product, and that will show just for internal purposes. You have the SKU, which is the stock keeping unit. It should not be empty, but since this is a dummy product, that is fine. And this is the option that you might use a lot. You can say continue selling when out of stock. If you enable this, people can purchase it. This is good for digital products. So if you have a digital product, people can just purchase the copy of it, and it will never run out of stock. So I'll save it for now. Also the shipping, if you add weight in here, weight for the product, then it will be a physical product. Based on weight, you can charge them shipping. So if it is, let's say 5 kilogram, you're going to charge them, let's say $20. So based on that, you can add all those information. Then you have variance. Variance is different variation of the same product. For example, color, size, and all of those things. Then you have some SEO or details in here. You can check, you can change this from here. And it could be different from the title of the product. For now, I will discard it. Then you have metafields. Metafield is just extra information that you can attach to the product. For example, if you have every store is different. Some brands might need a specific data to add for the product, so they can use metafield. They also have some product tag, which is important. You can tag the product, and based on tag, you can categorize them. You have templates. You can design template for that specific product. Let's say if this product have a different color on the whole template, you can design the template in the theme, and then you can assign it to this specific product. Rest of them is not very important, but one more thing I want to show you. This is the URL. It always look like this: products, then product ID. If you come here and add a JSON extension, it is going to give you the JSON data of that product. Everything, like from body, HTML to vendor, product type, created, add handle, and everything that you need for this product. Yours might not look like this, but I have a Chrome extension called, I think it's a JSON beautifier. That's why it looks like a beautiful data in here, but it is very helpful to have this. Now, next up, let's move on to collections. Collections are like categories. You can categorize the product and to collection pages, and you can assign it in here. So next up, you have customers. Inventory is the same, but we may not touch this here. Inventory management is like you can directly change the inventory of each product from here, and it's like a bulk editing of multiple products. Next we have customers. These are the test customers, not real, and they didn't spend anything. And then you have contents. Contents is also very important. Shopify has a meta object. We talk more about this. Meta object is a way of creating your own data. You have blog posts, you have pages, you have products, but what if you have a custom data? You can use meta objects for that to create a custom data. This is something new in Shopify, but I love this. Analytics, we don't have much data, but the analytics on Shopify is very powerful and give you a lot of information. Next, you have marketing. And if you are doing marketing with Shopify, you can see all the information in here, how much you spend and how much you have returned. Discount is where you create the discount codes. These are the examples, like you can schedule them. Some of them are active, some of them are not, but we'll talk more about them in the future. Next up is all related to the apps. So the search box is very important. From here you can select that what you want to search. App, customer, order, product, sales channel. If you click app, it is going to search for the apps that you are looking for. 2 apps are already installed. These are by Shopify themselves, like geolocation. It will redirect customer to their own country. Each store can have their own, which can have like different country. So you can have different price for each product based on their country. Geolocation will send you to that. If we create our app, that will be available and listed in here. For now, let's go to the sales channel. A sales channel is like where we are selling. One is this online store, one is shop, which is by Shopify. It is like Amazon. You can go and buy product from different stores. It's called shop. And points of sale also we don't need for now, but these are recommendations. If you want to sell it on Google, Facebook, TikTok, you can start using it. In the app section, yeah, it is again going to open the search. But if I scroll down a little bit, this is the setting. This is all the settings about your Shopify. I recommend you to check this yourself, because it is nothing like that we will relate in this video series, but you will come to know about all of this in the future videos that we need. But I will talk on details about checkout, about customer event, about branding, and all of those things. But for now, we don't need. But if you do overview them, it is very helpful for you. So yeah, this is all you need to know about Shopify dashboard and overview. If you have any question, you can always comment below the video. And again, if you subscribe to the channel, that would be great. And we are going to soon start creating our own app. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.